Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common fixture in every kitchen across the world. Traditionally, baking soda has been used as a do-it-all product that serves a multitude of functional processes such as cooking, cleaning, and overall health. When baking soda comes in contact with water, it forms an alkaline solution which releases free radicals and facilitates teeth whitening. Baking soda works as an excellent agent against plaque formation from tea, coffee, and tobacco. By attacking the plaque formation, it prevents dental decay, cavity formation, and gum disease to a very large extent. It fights bad breath by balancing acid levels and helps treat painful mouth ulcers. The American Dental Association does approve baking soda to be used as an ingredient in toothpaste. Multiple toothpaste companies have included baking soda as a component in their toothpaste. For all these reasons and more, baking soda is a safe, natural way to add brightness to your smile. Fairywill hopes that the simple, natural goodness of baking soda will be added to your brushing routine. Fairywill offers you the finest in home oral care tools. Check us out on Fairywill.com and on Amazon. We would appreciate you liking us on Facebook and leaving honest reviews about our products on Amazon.